4. Cucumber parsley juice. This green juice made with cucumber and parsley can fasten your weight loss journey and can show quick results, if consumed regularly. Cucumber has high water and fiber content and almost no calories. Parsley is known for its mild diuretic properties and high minerals and vitamins content. Both are nutrient-packed foods that are also known to aid weight loss in an efficient way. How to make cucumber parsley juice. To make this juice, combine diced cucumber, a bunch of parsley, half teaspoon grated ginger and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend them all together till it turns into a liquid juice. 5. Aloe vera juice. Drinking aloe vera juice at bedtime may help you shed extra fat naturally. According to Ayurveda expert, Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, aloe vera has the potential of curing a range of ailments and provides complete nourishment to the body. According to the book, Healing Foods by DK Publishing House, aloe vera juice helps balance intestinal flora. It can be useful in cases of irritable bowel syndrome, and is a laxative that is reputed to help expel parasites from the digestive tract. How to make aloe vera juice. Scrape out the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf with a knife. Lob out the yellow part inside the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Mix it with 2 cups of water and blend them together. Pour the juice in a glass and enjoy this weight loss friendly drink before going to sleep. 6. Turmeric mill. If you thought Haldi Wala Doodh was only for treating cold, cough and healing injuries, you may be wrong. Turmeric may also help in boosting metabolism and soothing digestion that may result in shedding of extra weight. Its antioxidant properties may flush out harmful toxins from our body and keep our digestion running smoothly while we take a good nap. Milk, on the other hand, fuels the body with calcium and proteins that help us sleep peacefully. This may prevent us from overeating the next day. How to make turmeric milk. Boil milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or an inch-long knob of raw turmeric. Drink it at bedtime while it's still hot. Now that we have shared with you a list of bedtime hacks, make them a part of your daily schedule and lose weight effectively. These detox drinks can help flush out toxins from the body. With an improved digestion and good metabolism, you'll be able to lose weight fast. About Diksha Saran, an eccentric foodie and a die-hard Falooda lover, Diksha loves riding scooty in search of good street food. A piping hot cup of Adrak Wali chai can make her day bright and shiny.